hi.
Hi, welcome to Israel. We are here now in Mount Hermon. It's the area near to the border of Syria, very close to Syria. Half of the mountain for Syria, half for Israel. Thank you, Lord, that we cut it half-half. If not, we don't have snow in Israel. So we are going down to the area of Golan Heights. You're welcome. It's a very nice sunny day. We are with a group from India, very, very nice people. They are very smart from Technion. They are study, very intelligent and kind people. I'm so happy to be and glad to be the driver for them and to guide them on this amazing sunny day. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please left subscribe, like and share.
Wow. Say hi. Group say hi.